If you're new to Soul Collage cards, today I'll be sharing 3 journaling prompts to help you make meaning of your collage images. If you'd like to learn how to make a Soul Collage card first, definitely check out this video and then come back for the journaling prompts. Today is day 24 in our 30-day art challenge, and our prompt is reflections. All of these Soul Collage journaling prompts are suggestions, and they're intended to be written as free writes, meaning you write without judgment or editing. Journaling prompt 1 is very common with Soul Collage cards, and that is to begin your writing with I am the one who. When I look at this image, I might say, I am the one who is taking time for rest and is birthing something new. Or I am the one who is letting go and allowing myself to be cleansed by fresh waters. Anything you come up with will be unique for you in your situation. I recommend using this prompt 3 times, so beginning 3 sentences with I am the one who. For me, what comes to mind with these images is I am the one who is feeling playful and connected in nature. I am the one who is prioritizing self-care. Diving in deeper to your Soul Collage cards, the second journaling prompt is the message I have for you is. This journaling prompt, instead of speaking from the card, it gives and opens up space for the card to speak to us. So again, there's no right or wrong way, and I'll show a couple of examples. The message I have for you is to make time to smell the roses, to be grateful for the sweet things in life. The third journaling prompt is to consider a question, something you can ask yourself that you'd like more information about as you look at your image. You may want to consider something you're currently struggling with in your life, something you're wanting more clarity around. Some examples may be, what do you have to tell me? Or what gifts do you have for me? Or what is the most important thing for me to notice in this card, and why? And if you'd like to join any of our Soul Collage workshops online, you can check out more information at mindfulcreativemuse.com. For now, if you're ready, we can dive into another video.